Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone 13 is unlocked and updated, and you've backed up to iCloud or Finder in case you need to restore. Now open Settings and tap Cellular to see your plans. Tap the Esim label you want to remove. This shows plan details and options. Once done, tap Remove Cellular Plan to initiate deletion. You do this because removing the Esim clears carrier provisioning and any roaming profiles tied. You'll see a confirmation prompt explaining that removing the plan deletes its cellular account from this iPhone. Read the carrier name to ensure you remove the correct one, then choose Remove Cellular Plan and confirm. The phone removes the digital SIM provisioning, and the plan disappears from the cellular list. If the plan still appears, make sure you're not in the middle of a carrier update. Then restart the iPhone to refresh carrier settings and check again to verify complete removal. Finish by reviewing cellular settings to confirm the Esim is removed. No plan name should remain. If the Esim reappears or your carrier still shows active service, contact the carrier to deactivate the Esim from their side and request remote deprovisioning. Make sure to restart the iPhone after carrier confirmation. If something went wrong and you lost settings you needed, restore from your backup. Otherwise, you're done and ready to add a new Esim or use a physical SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.